Hi everyone, it's Scott Curcio from Baird Warner Real Estate here in Chicago, and we've already recapped the general housing market for 2021 in Chicago. Now it's time to talk luxury homes, and boy was it a good year for high-end real estate. We had more than double the number of million-plus condos sell in 2021 that we did in 2020. So we're going to start there, talking about attached properties, right? Condos and townhomes. Now, we have to kind of temper this a little bit that, of course, we have the delivery of the Vista Tower, now called the St. Regis, downtown, that has 406 units that are delivering. So that's going to buoy a lot of our home sales, kind of the way 9 West Walton did a couple years ago, probably for the next 2 years as those continue to sell through the rest of this year and potentially even into 2023. So with that, 114% more million-plus condos sold in Chicago in 2021 than the previous year. Crazy, right? Our highest sales price, if you've been following some other videos, you already know this, it was 840 North Lakeshore Drive for $11.25 million, all in cash. And what's interesting, of the top 10 condo sales in the city, first of all, 5 of them were over at the Vista, now the St. Regis Tower, and half of them were in cash. We had 23 condos trading at or above $5 million. For a comparison, last year, that number was 4. And we had 67 condos trading in that $3 to $5 million range this year. Also, for a comparison, in 2020, that number was 24. So a really good year for condos. I think we'll continue to see a lot of that growth and that strength as we move through 2022 and probably into 2023. Now let's shift a little bit. Let's talk about single-family homes, and we'll talk a little bit about both city and suburbs of there to get you some good information. So this year, we had 1,136 million-plus single-family homes sell in the city of Chicago. That was 56% more than happened in 2020. So again, really, really strong growth. Our highest sales price was a single-family home at 1950 North Burling, which traded for $12,550,000. Between $3 and $5 million, we had 61 homes trade this year. By comparison, last year, only 29. And then this year, above $5 million, we had 8 homes. Last year it was 5. So you can see some really good growth. Of the top 10 highest single-family home sales, 9 of them were in Lincoln Park, not really surprising, and we had 1 in River North. 40% of those top 10 sales in cash. But we don't want to leave the suburbs out too. So if we look at the top 10 sales, and by the way, you know I always have my notes with me as I do these, our top 10 sales in the market, 5 of those were in the city. Hinsdale had 2 of them. We also then rounded out with 1 in Glencoe, Winnetka, and Kenilworth. So real strong luxury home sales, probably one of the strongest luxury markets I've ever seen in my almost 18-year career here. So if you want to know the top 10 sales in your own personal neighborhood, feel free to send me a message. We'll get that report out to you. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe for other housing and specifically luxury housing market updates as we move through 2022. We'll see you next time.